Toxoplasma gondii oocysts are typically obtained from infected cat feces and isolated using a flotation procedure resulting in a partially purified suspension. Molecular and tissue culture experiments on this parasite, however, require highly purified oocysts. To achieve this, oocysts are further purified using a sucrose flotation step, where oocysts are resuspended in sucrose overlaid with water and centrifuged to separate the oocysts away from most of the fecal matter. The oocyst layer is then transferred into a new tube, underlaid with cesium chloride and centrifuged. The resulting distinct oocyst band is then collected and washed, ready to use on experiments requiring highly purified T. gondii oocysts.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Staggs, an employee of Dynamac, a contractor for the National Exposure Research Laboratory of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Today we will show you a procedure for purifying Toxoplasma gondii oocyst from the feces of laboratory-infected cats using a discontinuous cesium chloride gradient. This procedure is routinely used in our laboratory to isolate oocysts for use in molecular biology and tissue culture experiments. So let's get started.
Before beginning any work with T. gondii oocysts, important safety considerations should be taken into account. People who are immunocompromised, pregnant, or actively trying to get pregnant should not handle the pathogen due to the risk of acquiring toxoplasmosis, which can cause illness and severe birth defects. To reduce the risk of infection, set aside a designated